Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best 8-inch cake pan on the market, the Nordic Ware Naturals Round Cake Pan. If you're serious about baking and want consistently perfect results, this pan is a must-have in your kitchen arsenal. First off, the Nordic Ware Naturals Cake Pan is crafted from pure, natural aluminum, which is renowned for its superior heat conductivity. This means your cakes bake evenly with beautifully browned edges and no hot spots, giving you consistent results every single time. Whether you're a home baker or a professional, this pan's performance stands out. One of the standout features of this pan is its durability. It is built with an encapsulated solid core steel rim that prevents warping, even after years of baking. This rim is made of galvanized steel, which will never rust, ensuring your pan maintains its shape and strength through countless baking sessions. The design is straightforward but effective. It measures 8 inches on the inside diameter, with a total exterior diameter of 8.6 inches, and has a height of 2.5 inches. This height is ideal for baking tall, fluffy layers that stack perfectly without the need for excessive trimming or shaping. So, if you love making layer cakes, this pan was practically made for you. Another great aspect of the Nordic Ware pan is that it is naturally non-stick due to its shiny, non-porous aluminum surface. You'll find that cakes release easily from the pan with minimal effort. Just a little butter or parchment paper is all you need to get a clean lift every time. This cake pan is also made in the USA, combining domestic and imported materials, which speaks to its quality craftsmanship and reliability. It's designed to last a lifetime in your kitchen, making it an excellent investment for anyone serious about baking. Care is simple but important. To maintain the pan's beautiful finish and baking performance, it's recommended to hand wash it with warm soapy water. Avoid putting it in the dishwasher since harsh detergents can cause discoloration, although this won't affect how well it bakes. Using silicone, wooden, or nylon utensils will keep the pan scratch-free and looking new. Keep in mind, because this pan is made from natural aluminum, it is reactive to acidic ingredients like vinegar or tomato products. So while it's perfect for baking cakes, it's best to avoid using it for long periods with highly acidic foods to prevent any potential corrosion or pitting. The pan is oven safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which covers virtually all standard baking needs. Whether you're making a birthday cake, a layered dessert, or any kind of baked creation, this pan handles the heat like a pro. If you're looking to build a collection, Nordic Ware offers this pan in several sizes, ranging from 4 inches all the way up to 12 inches, so you can match the perfect size to your baking projects. Their Naturals line is well loved for its uniform heat distribution and professional-grade quality. To sum it up, the Nordic Ware Naturals 8-inch round cake pan combines excellent heat conduction, durability, and ease of use in a pan designed for the serious baker. Its structural integrity thanks to the encapsulated steel rim, natural non-stick surface, and the perfect dimensions for layering make it a top contender for the best cake pan you can buy. That wraps up our review of the Nordic Ware Naturals Round Cake Pan, 8-inch. If you want even baking and long-lasting quality in your kitchen, this pan is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest reviews on the best products out there.